In front of me is Lenovo Tab M8 3rd generation, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down to Access System. In it, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit, and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!